material and stereo. Any area code, bury your flow. Really though, live on show, the video. Where did he go like Arsenio? Soon as I let the Mac Millie blow. Bags of chill, long shotgun with the scope. We got it rolled up by the throat, let the wound soak. We blew a roach out on the coast. Don't play me close, Nick. Don't play me close. Bags of chill, long shotgun with the scope. We got it rolled up by the throat, let the wound soak. We blew a roach out on the coast. Don't play me close.
Yo,
nigga, don't play me close.
Welcome to the most excellent show. One mic checking it blows. I spit the most treacherous flow. We get it done like it's only 1 second ago. I plant the seed like sets and it grows. We moving like clockwork, so killer, this shit is marvelous. The God, I put it in this shit, so don't start with us. I'm 6'4" deep in the game. So why they garbage you be spitting is only feeding the flame. The illest in the spotlight, word out. Be it Illuminati shock in your third eye. See it, you know that cold feeling when you about to make a cold killing. Well, this cold feeling be cold chilling. Living life like no regrets. If you know what's best, hold your breath like you trying to overstretch your solar plex. My attitude is frozen breath. I call it lapel lacing. Fatality, choke to death.
Bags of chill, long shotgun with the scope. We got it rolled up by the throat, let the wound soak. We blew a roach out on the coast. Don't play me close, Nick. Don't play me close. Bags of chill, long shotgun with the scope. We got it rolled up by the throat, let the wound soak. We blew a roach out on the coast. Don't play me close, nigga. Don't play me close.
On a private beach out in Japan, we spoke the plan. I soap with the queen of the boat, raise a glass full of cognac, say a toast. It's for the team and how we moving the most. Venture, forever, only cool cars can enter. Sneak the rat in the club under the leather. Fly specs, on the hunt for the prospects. A good jokes, a bitch talking nonsense. How she want this shit she ain't got yet. Simple time, slug to a pimp though. Bitch brush my temples, sunk in the limo. I'm from the jewel jungle. My niggas fool you more than once too in the zoo. With the guns drew, fly suit, shot him in the wine room. Word is he died over land space. Out in that place in the sands with the grand safe.
Bags of chill, long shotgun with the scope. We got it rolled up by the throat, let the wound soak. We blew a roach out on the coast. Don't play me close, Nick. Don't play me close. Bags of chill, long shotgun with the scope. We got it rolled up by the throat, let the wound soak. We blew a roach out on the coast. Don't play me close, nigga. Don't play me close.
Want me to say all is forgiven.
So I'm sure some of you watching will be like, oh my god, he's using brush paint on his car. This paint is tried and tested and it was flipping brilliant. I did the same job on my Nissan Bluebird. That car was not garaged. Probably did the job and owned the car another 3 years. No peeling, no chipping, no nothing, no even slightest sign of going faded in the sun. That car was outdoors and he's baking hot Japanese summers, in the freezing winters, out in the rain, 100% of the time. Absolutely, this paint didn't shift. I'll tell you exactly what this paint is. I mean, it's literally the perfect paint for this job. And I haven't got to bother doing loads of masking off around the car by using a brush. It is high performance silicone acrylic resin paint. It's got acrylic cross-linking system, UV deterioration inhibitor, yeah, I told you I didn't fade, high weather resistance for automobiles. Perfect. And I can dollop it on super thick, probably the same equivalent thickness as spray paint, would be like 30 or 40 coats. And it dries matte, which I like. But yeah, there is a bit brush marky. But this is a temporary fix, yeah. This is like my free repair, just a little bit of effort. And then if I'm really unhappy with it, which I don't think I will be, I'll look to replace the trim or get them removed and treated, like plastic coated properly in the future. Anyway, spread this on kind of thin, and then I'll dollop on a thick second coat later. Okay, finishing this video a little bit prematurely because I've ordered these and they haven't arrived yet, so these are not fitted, but yeah, I'm going to just replace those with new. They were cheap enough just to buy replacement, and I checked, couldn't find replacements for the other bits. And the reason I did this on the car, I didn't believe I could take that off without damaging the clips that hold in position, so just to eliminate that risk of any problems of it not going back on properly, I thought I'd just do it the awkward way and just mask off either side and then sand it down and paint it. But yeah, you can see basically it's good, but that's where it was sanded down properly, but then you can see little edges of the plastic coating that stayed on there. Basically, if it stayed on really strong, I just left it. So massive improvement, especially with that new T-bar bit. Rather than seeing like rust and stuff, here was the worst. Remember at the start of the video, maybe I'll put it on the screen now, that was just all lifting up and exposing rust, and it was just flaky, crispy, horrible. I'm much more proud to drive this car around now. A lot less scrappy looking. Yeah, more jobs though to get it up a next level, get the paint corrected. And also yesterday I pulled off, there was like a silly, it was the same as what's on the front, that cheap rubber chin spoiler stuff you can get. That was all down the side of the skirt. As soon as I saw it, I knew I was going to take it off, and I hated it. I don't know why I owned the car like a few weeks before actually doing it. It was literally 1 minute each side just pulling it off. The whole thing looks so much smarter now. It's like a more mature finish, and higher quality as well, because there's not strips of rust and flaky plastic all over it. Yeah, getting there, step by step, little by little, I'll improve the condition of this car. So a few more things I'm going to do to it. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and check out future uploads.